Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua dhi nyime kod seyo ute fuambo mano ma owachoni gitiyo kod riwruok mano mar Azimio la Umoja. Gachagua onyiso ute fuambo ni gin ema gisebedo ka gidhialo tulo kod ng'anyo mag Azimio bang'e to giwuondore ni imonjogi kod obila. Chris Owino nigi ler mathoth.
Kata odoko ni moko kuom jofuambo weche mane obilo hinyo ka tiyo tijegi e bwo chike kinde ng'anyo mag Azimio pod dhi nyime kod winjo rem e ute thieth. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua odhi nyime kod goyo ute fuambo kar kwedo monj mane jofuambo weche oyudo e lwet obila.
They are the same people who think and believe that our government can have cracks. They are ones behind a narrative. They are the ones who are behind a narrative that Deputy President and Musalia Mudavadi have a conflict. These same people. A false narrative. Nonsense. Musalia Mudavadi and I have come a long way. When I was personal assistant to President Uhuru Kenyatta, and he was his vice presidential nominee, we worked together. I have eaten food in his house many times. I have spent many nights there. Sisi ni kama chanda na pete. So nyinyi watu ya magazeti, kama mnangojea hii serikali ya William Ruto isabaratike, you will wait for a long time.
Kaoloso kuom thuolo mokwongo nyaka ne obila majendeke mak kod wang' jowi ka ketho gari mar jofuambo, Rigathi Gachagua oseyo jofuambo weche ewi mano ma owachoni gitiyo kanyakla kod Azimio.
These media people, Prime Cabinet Secretary, don't worry about them. These are Azimio people. They are part of Azimio. So you should not be bothered about them. They joined Azimio to run fake opinion polls. They wrote headline after headline that William Ruto stands no chance. They are still in denial. They are still hoping that Raila can push us to bring him into government and then they can join government too. That is why they are glorifying violence and anarchy, because they are part of Azimio.
Kaka ranyisi makende ni piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza okodeo midhiero ma jofuambo weche kaloe. Gachagua othiano ne ute fuambo ni giikore marado kodgi e yiero maduong' mabiro.
Mungoje tuonane na nyinyi 2027. You join that Azimio brigade and your fellows tukutane kwa debe. Na msitusie sisi woga. You wrote all headlines against us. You demeaned President William Ruto. You called him a thief. You wrote anything bad you can never write about anybody. But the people of Kenya ignored you and elected him as president. The same way you are writing and glorifying violence and then trying to play victim, the people of Kenya will once more ignore you.
Ewi ng'anyo mag Azimio mabiro, jalup jatend piny ogoyo kore gi nyadhi ni piny owacho dhi timo duto mar dino ne ng'anyo mag Azimio.
Monday, the government of the Republic of Kenya will assert its authority in protecting life and property and upholding the rule of law. I'm just giving that caution to those young people that it is not going to be business as usual. It cannot happen, and it will not happen because it is wrong, it's immoral, it's unacceptable.
Gachagua bende oramo ni ok gibi timo twak moro amora kod ogai mar Azimio Raila Odinga.
President William Ruto and I, on 13th of September last year, before God and before man, took the Bible with the entire world watching and swore to uphold and defend the Constitution. We have told their emissaries, we have no intention and no capacity to violate the Constitution. It will not happen. So the issue of nusu mkate government, the issue of handshake, is non-negotiable.
Gachagua ne loso e gwenge mag Malava e kinde nyasi maduoko erokamano mane oba kod kanisni 40 mawuok e hoho mar Okak kod Imbo mar Kenya. Chris Owino, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Pod mana ka wantiere ir jalup jatend